Welcome back. There's plenty of fantastic Italian food throughout the state of Texas, but some of the most authentic Italian cuisine we found has been in some unexpected places. We're starting in Temple, Texas, at a restaurant you'll never forget. All that wine is served up with sensational saucy pastas, wood-grilled pizzas, and mouth-watering meals like eggplant rollatini and pork chops with tequila lime butter sauce. What you love about Pignetti's?
Oh, how much time do you have?
That's amore, all right. Pignetti's will win your heart over, and your taste buds too.
You're never at a loss for trying to find something you like.
The lasagna has layers of pasta, ricotta, parmesan, and ground ribeye instead of ground beef. Plenty of wine and plenty of food, all perfectly paired with a whole lot of heart at Pignetti's. Cheers.
Salud.
Salud. Next, we're heading south to the tiny coastal town of Port Aransas, with a population of just over 4,000 people. Come for the sun, stay for the food. For an authentic taste of Northern Italian cuisine, slip into Venetian hot plate.
It's as Italian as it can get, 10,000 miles from Italy. Because we are on the coast, fish is very important to our menu.
We've been coming here for years and love it.
There's the to-die-for scratch-made lasagna della mamma, a recipe imported from Linda's mother. Soak it all in, the delicious food, the beauty of the beach, and the love and warmth that's waiting for you in Port Aransas at Venetian Hot Plate. Finally, we're setting sail for Galveston for a bite at the island's oldest Italian restaurant. Just one taste, and you'll understand why they've stood the test of time. Mario's Seawall Italian Restaurant is a little slice of Sicily right here at the beach.
Everything's fresh, and it's a family-owned and operated business, and I love that about it.
At the center of Mario's success, scratch-made Italian food. And house-made, hand-tossed, wood-fired, cheesy pizza that locals can't get enough of. Mario serves up fresh Gulf seafood dishes. Dive into their mixed grill with pan-seared shrimp and salmon.
It's just delicious.
The desserts are absolutely delicious too. Cap off your meal with house-made gelato and sorbetto in a rainbow of flavors.
It's a very special place, very special place.
The perfect meal from Mario's family to your family at Mario's Seawall Italian.